Long time no see. I missed you all so much. I moved and the studio is finally up and running again. Woohoo! Yay! Oh my gosh, it felt like it was a never-ending job. So yeah, we've got everything unloaded, pretty much organized. So yeah, we're gonna be having some fun this year, doing lots of stuff, and today we're going to focus on this one. This one was fun to do. It was inspired by Anuka and Nate, and there goes my dog. But it was inspired by Anuka and Nate and their collaboration, and so I thought I'd give it a try. It was pretty fun. So let's go over and I'll show you how it was done. So, do you see all these little empty holes where jars should be? Those were all filled with little paints that just didn't have much left in the jars. So I combined them all into similar colors and created what I call Franken Paint. I don't know the mediums, I don't know the colors. They're just a mixture of a little bit of everything. And that is what we're going to be using today for our little flick and spin test run. Franken Paint.
So I am doing a voiceover because my dog just won't shut up. He's getting used to all the noises in the new place. And so yeah, here we go. I'm using a 10 by 10 gallery wrapped edge canvas. It's a standard thickness, the 11 by 16. I really like these canvases a lot. And so first we're going to lay down our base paint. And I think in this base paint there must have been some satin enamels, or it's just a reaction from the Artist Loft Flow White, the older stuff. So who knows? But it kind of caused a cool reaction that I really dig. At the end, you'll see that. Let's see, what else do I need to tell you? Oh, the collaboration that inspired this was by Nate and Anuka, and I will have links to their collaboration down in my description box. The description box is easy to find. You will also find channel links and video links to the other artists that are coming up in the train today. They are just Janice, who was right before me, and then myself, and then right after me is acrylic painting with Mary Kirk, and then I think K and K Create are off tonight, but we also have Angie Mason tonight closing up the train. So yeah, let's go ahead and listen to some music, and I'll show you how I did. It was a lot of fun. The first flick was a little bit of a bummer, but after that it got easier. So I don't know why I was nervous, but I was nervous to do this. Yeah, lots and lots of fun. You'll see.
Everything is not enough. Really hard is by the ocean. Among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Why am I nervous? Fail. Okay, try again. Okay. Ooh. I kind of like it. I'm digging it. Cool, we got a winner. So here it is on my art table, all dry. And we're going to zoom in and look at some of the details because I think they're really cool. I love how I got some little fractal looking things along here. Really neat. And yeah, there must have been some satin enamels in the white base that I used. Either that or it's just the Artist Loft Flow acrylics that were probably mixed in with it. Either way, it gave some pretty cool effects that I'm digging. And I wish I could show you this out in the sunlight, because it's got some really pretty shimmer to it, because some of them had TLPs in the Franken Paint. And it does shimmer really pretty in the sunlight, but today is a icky, miserable, crappy day. You can't even see the mountains outside my studio. They're back there. They are back there behind those clouds, but it is just ugh. So yeah, here it is on my art table. But yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? I want to thank Anuka and Nate for sharing this with us. It's a very cool technique. I hope you give it a try. And yeah, you might biff on the first flick, but they get easier as you go around the canvas. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I do have a collab with Nate Bright coming up on Wednesday. It is our Color of the Month collab, and this month we've picked silver for our collaboration color. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. I did an open cup, going back to basics. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. Wait till you see the results. Oh my gosh, really cool, really amazing. That will be Wednesday, kind of mid-morning, mid-afternoon kind of time. And yeah, it's along with Mina, Brian, and Nate. So I will see you guys then, hopefully in the comments, in the live chat. And yeah, please go check out all the other artists that went today. On a Monday train, we usually have just Janice, and then myself, and then Mary Kirk, and then K&K Create, and then wrapping it up is Angie Mason Fluid Art. So please go check out those channels. Their links for all of them will be in the description. And yeah, see you on Wednesday, guys. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.